I am going to turn this little table into a piece of art, a sellable piece of art. It's plain, kind of boring, but it's lightweight and small. So if you're at a market or something, people will be feel good to buy it because they can just put it in the car easily. I didn't know if I wanted to wood burn it because it's wood, and I was thinking I'm known for the train bridge and stuff. But somebody's gonna want to put plants on this or something, and you can't really put anything on it if it's that kind of art. So I'm doing the paint pouring because the effect comes out beautiful, especially when you do the ocean colors. And I sell my art down on the beach in Onset, the Summer of Love concert series. And I have my tables out there. So I'm going to paint pour it and then resin over it. I'm going to show you what I got going on. Okay, we got our Floetrol here, some stirring sticks, some silicone. We got silicone. This you put in the white, the titanium. It has to be titanium white. Now, I didn't want to stir all these in front of you, and you know the weight. I mean, the measurements of the Floetrol and the paint is different. There's different paints here. Folk art is different than craft smart. It's thinner, so it takes less Floetrol. Liquid-X is really thick paint. This one's really, really thick, so it needed a lot. What I do is I measure like this. See how it's flowing? That's perfect. They're all like that. They're flowing nicely. Not a drip, a flow. This one's a little thick, but see how it just flows right off? So we got some pretty colors here, some metallics, pretty colors. Pretty colors. And we got white. So these is, I'm hoping this will look like the ocean. Okay, you ready to have some fun? Let's go. All right. So first, you start off by putting house paint. Use some house paint as a base. You got to put that down. So I just poured it on there, and I'm going to spread it out. Just need a nice thin coat so the colors will spread nicely, slide nicely. That's a nice, good layer of house paint. So now we're gonna take our colors, which I think I have a lot here for this tiny little table. I got pee-pee pads down on the floor. And we're just gonna pour it like that. I might have to paint something else. Paint pours. Oh, I do have something else to paint pour. I do. That looks like it should be plenty. Should be plenty. Make sure you get it all on the sides. Okay. So now I need my white. This is what's gonna give it the cells that I love so much. I love the cells. So we're gonna just go like this. All right, now we're gonna swipe. I think I can swipe it. Swipe. I think I'm gonna do another layer of this blue here. That's done. Now we're going to swipe it. My favorite thing to do is swiping. I'm just taking a piece of paper, one piece of paper. Start off by going like this. Put it down. There we go. Now that's beautiful. I don't even need a lighter, but I am going to use one because I will get more cells, even more cells. I like how it went over on the sides, everywhere. Looks good. That came out awesome. Lots of cells. Looks awesome. Look at that. Looks beautiful. That's why I love paint pouring. It's so satisfying. It's like, wow. So that's original art right there. You can't make another piece like this. You just can't. So it's going to be a cute little table. Okay, here it is. Finished product. I got resin on the top of it. It is so shiny, shiny. Look at that shine. Yeah, you can see the reflection. Came out so good. I love it. If you want to learn more about resin, leave it in the comments. Sorry I didn't show the resin part. It's pretty easy. You just mix half and half and pour it on. And it's messy. It drips on the floor, and you gotta have, you gotta wear a mask and have ventilation. And I love how it came out. The cells are so nice. So this will sell. So it was a gift because people give me these tables all the time because they know I flip them. So this was free. It cost me some paint and some resin. I can sell that for 40 bucks down at the band shell. What do you think? Okay. See you in the next furniture flip. Trash to treasure.